Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. If you want to build strength, prevent soreness, and stay consistent, these post-workout habits will help you bounce back faster. Cool down and stretch. I start with 5-10 minutes of light cardio and static stretching to bring my heart rate down and reduce muscle stiffness. It helps prevent injury and improves flexibility. Hydrate immediately. I drink plenty of water, sometimes with electrolytes, right after working out to replace fluids lost through sweat and aid muscle recovery. Refuel smart. Within 30 minutes, I eat a balanced meal or shake with protein and carbs. This combo supports muscle repair and replenishes glycogen stores. Use a foam roller. I spend 5-10 minutes foam rolling tight areas to increase blood flow and release tension. It's uncomfortable at first, but makes a big difference. Active recovery days. I don't train hard every day. Walking, yoga, or mobility work on off days keeps me moving without overloading my body. Sleep and rest. I aim for 7-9 hours of sleep nightly. This is when most muscle repair and growth happens. No shortcuts here. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.